Pre-final mathematics class 10 Telangana from Wanaparthy district 22-23. So mathematics paper. So here in this video I'll solve section 1, 6 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So this paper is from Wanaparthy district. So here the first question, find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3. So first one, x square minus 3, we need to find the zeros, so equate with 0. See here, to solve this one there are two methods. One is x square minus 3 equals 0, so x square equals 3. So x equals root 3. So x equals, you can write plus or minus root 3. So 1 0 is root 3. The other one is minus root 3. Or you can solve this one in different way, like x square minus 3 equals 0. So x square minus root 3 whole square. Because root 3 whole square is 3. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So here I can write x plus root 3. Here I can write x plus root 3 into x minus root 3 equals 0. So x plus root 3 equals 0. X minus root 3 equals 0. So x equals minus root 3 and here x equals root 3. So in this way we can solve this one. Now second question. Areas of two similar triangles. Areas of similar triangles ABC and DEF are 81 centimeter square and 225 centimeter square. The BC is 6 centimeters. Find the value of EF. See here, BC and EF are the corresponding sides. So if I apply the areas theorem, if two triangles are similar, then the ratios of their areas, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding. Here they give BC and EF. So I'll use BC and EF. So area of triangle ABC is 81 and DEF is 225. BC is 6. EF we need to find. Whole square. Square if we'll send to the other side. So root 81 by 225 is 6 by EF. Root 81 is 9. Root 225 is 15. Is 6 by EF. If we'll cross multiply, 9 times EF here equals 15 times 6. So EF equals 15 into 6 by 9. 3 times 3, 3 times 2, 3 times 1, 3 times 5. So EF equals 10 centimeters. So the corresponding side EF is 10 centimeters. Prove that the midpoint of A, here A is log 8 to the base 2 and comma log 32 to the base 2. So if I simplify this, here I can write as log 2 cube to the base 2, log 2 power 5 to the base 2. So A is nothing but 3 log 2 to the base 2 and 5 log 2 to the base 2. So here I'll use the logarithm of power, that is log A power m to the base x is m log A to the base x and log A to the base A is 1. So here this is 3 times 1 comma 5 times 1. So the point A is 3 comma 5. Next in the same way B is log 6 to the base 6 comma log 4 to the base 4. So B is 1 comma 1. Now we need to prove the midpoint is 2 comma 3. So A is 3 comma 5, B is 1 comma 1. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now if we'll substitute the values, x1, y1, x2, y2. So if we'll substitute the values here, 3 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 6 by 2, which is nothing but 2 comma 3. So midpoint is 2 comma 3. Now if you'll see this, in this way we need to simplify. See, we are using the logarithm identities. Now next question, fourth one. Write the formula of median of a group data and explain each term. So median formula. Median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F times H. So here H. So here L is lower boundary of the model class. Lower boundary of the median. So it's a median. So median class. Next, N is total frequency. N is total frequency. CF is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency preceding the median class. F is frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class. And H is class size. H is class size. So in this way we need to explain all the terms. Here once again, L is lower boundary of the median class. N is total frequency. CF is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. F is frequency of the median class. And H is class size or length of the class. Explain why, fifth solution. Explain why 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 plus 7 is a composite number. So here, before plus consider it like one term and after plus another term. So see here, 7, if we'll take common here, 7 if we'll take common, 2 into 3 into 5 plus 1. So see here only you can conclude this. 7 is a factor of a given number. So this big number, 7 is a factor. Therefore it is composite, you can conclude over there. But if you want to simplify, because see, for example, if it is a prime, 1 and itself, you cannot tell any other factor. If you are able to give any one example of the third factor, then it will become composite. So here, I am telling you 7 is a factor of the number, big number. So it will be a composite. But if you want, like, you can simplify further and you can show them it has more than 2 factors. And composite number can be expressed as product of its primes, you can tell. So see here like 7. 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 5, 30. 30 plus 1. 7 into 31. No need to multiply. 2, 1, 7, but no need to multiply. See 7 and 31. 7 and 31 are the factors. Or if you want, you can multiply the number, then write the factors. So 7 3 is 21, 2 1 7. So factors of 2 1 7 are 1 7 31 and 2 1 7. So according to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, composite number can be expressed as product of its primes. Prime factorization is unique, order may differ. It has more than 2 factors. Number has number 217 has more than 2 factors, therefore it is composite. Because exactly 2 factors is exactly, if you have 2 factors, that is prime. So more than 2 factors is composite. Next one, draw a suitable diagram of that the length of the tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So it's just 2 marks, no need to construct, just you can draw the diagram. So take a circle, draw 2 tangents from external point. Here PA and PB you can name it. So PA, PB. So 2 tangents to a circle are equal. So just that whole diagram. So you can, it's done, actually diagram is done, but I'm showing you. So tangent drawn from external point, just show them like this. These two are equal. Because they didn't ask the proof, this diagram they needed. It's a circle and the external point is P. The length of the tangent from external point will be equal. Section 2. Answer all the questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Here the first question is, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? So here 3 coins, the possible outcomes are, you can write like this, like write 4 heads, then write 4 tails, 3 coins. So total outcomes will be like 8. Then write 2 heads, 2 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. So here see, you need to see like this, 8 outcomes. Total outcomes are like 8. So what is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? So probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So here the first question is, what is the probability of exactly 2 heads? So see here we have 3. Here we have 2 heads exactly. Here also exactly 2 heads. Here also 2 heads. That's it. Here 3, but they total exactly 2. So 1, 2. Here only 1 head. Here also 1. Here also 1. Here there is no head. So exactly 2 heads. The total outcomes are 3. So the answer is 3 upon 8. So the first answer is 3 upon 8. So next, this is the first one. Second one, no head. So probability of no head. So see, total outcomes are 8 in all the cases except the last one. We have, in every case we have head. See here, all the cases we have head except the last one. So only one chance is there where we will not get head. Next one, at least probability of at least 2 tails. So total outcomes 8. So what is at least, I'll say. Now see, for example, if I'll ask any children tomorrow get at least 2 pens. At least 2 pens. The student can get like 2, 3, 10, 20. It means he can get 2 or more than 2. At least means greater than or equal to that value. So here he can get 2 or 3 tails also, like. So 2 or 3 tails. So from the starting you count here, like see here no. Because the question is at least 2 tails. Here there is no tail, you cannot take. 1 tail, no. Here also 1 tail, no. At least 2, you can take this one. 1. This one, no. At least 2 tails. So he can take this part. He can take this. And he can take the last one, 4, 3 tails. Because at least 2, he can get 2 or more. So the total outcomes are here like 4. Once again, if you see, you cannot take this because we have 3 heads. Only 1 tail, and here also 1 tail. He should get 2 or more. So the chances are 4. So answer is 1 by 2. Yeah, next question. Find the HCF of greatest 2-digit number and greatest 3-digit number. So here, greatest 2-digit number. So here, greatest 2-digit number is 99. Greatest 3-digit number. 3-digit number is 999. We need to find HCF by Euclid division algorithm. So Euclid division algorithm is A is equal to BQ plus R. Directly you can write, or otherwise just do the division part, and with the help of that you can write over here. 99 into 10 is 990. So then again here 99 division method. 9 into 11 is 99. So HCF is 9. So now if you write in Euclid division method, so here see 999 equals 99 times 10 plus 9. This is for the first step. 999 is 99 into 10 plus 9. Now next step, 99 equals 9 into 11 plus 0. So the HCF is 9. HCF is 9. This you can do in the rough part. If the question is easy, directly you can write in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. Here the next question is, a girl is 1 year older than her sister. So here, a girl is 1 year older than her sister. So here we'll consider, let the girl's age be, we'll consider like X years. So sister's age will be X plus 1, 1 year older than her. So X plus 1 years. The condition here is sum of the squares of their ages is 421. So here that will like X sum of the squares. Sum of the squares of the ages is 421. So here X and X plus 1. So if we'll expand, this is X square. Here A plus B whole square. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here X, X1, 1 minus 421 equals 0. So X square plus X square is 2X square plus 2X. 1 minus 421 is minus 420 equals 0. So here next 2 if we'll take common, X square plus X minus 210 equals 0. If we'll transpose this 2 towards right side, 0 by 2. So we'll get like 2 into X square plus X minus 210 equals 0. So X square plus X minus 210 is 0 by 2, which is nothing but 0. So now 210 I need to get, I'll factorize by splitting the middle term. 2 times 105, 3 times 15, 3 times 35, sorry here. 3 times 3, 3 times 5 and 5 times 7. So 3 times 5 is 15, 7 times 2 is 14. So the factors are X square plus 15X minus 14X minus 210 equals 0. So here 59, 14. Now if we'll factorize X into X plus 15 minus 14 into X plus 15. So X plus 15 into X minus 14 equals 0. So X plus 15 equals 0. X minus 14 equals 0. So X equals minus 15, X equals 14. Age cannot be negative. So girl's age is 14 years. She is 14 years old, and her sister's age. So here sister's age is 14 plus 1 is nothing but 15 years old. So in this way we need to simplify 14 and 15. We'll see the next question. It's a standard cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of this cubic polynomial, then write and explain about the relationship between the coefficients and zeros of the polynomial. So we need to write here formulae. So alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So here these are the three zeros, alpha, beta and gamma. So first one is sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, which is nothing but alpha plus beta plus gamma. So minus b by a. Or you can write as minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Next, sum of the product taken two zeros at a time. So here alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So this is c by a. So c, if you'll see here, it's a coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube, which is a. Now the last one, if you'll see here, product of the zeros. Alpha, beta, gamma, which is minus d by a. See, minus d is here constant, by a is again coefficient of x cube. So in this way, the relation between zeros and coefficients, we need to write the formula. If a equals 45 degrees, then verify that cos 2a, the first one, cos 2a equals 2 cos square a minus 1. So simultaneously you can do, or otherwise separate do. You just do cos 2a. So cos 2 times a is 45 degrees. So cos 90. And the value of cos 90 is 0. Now do the RHS part, which is 2 cos square a minus 1. So 2 cos square 45 degrees minus 1. Cos 45 value from the table is like 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1. 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 cancel, 1 minus 1, which is 0. Therefore we can say cos 2a equals 2 cos square a minus 1. Here we got these values equal. Now second one, sin 2a equals 2 sin a cos a. So first I will take here LHS, which is here sin 2a, sin 2 times a. So sin 2 into 45 degrees, which is nothing but sin 90 degrees, and sin 90 value is 1. Next, now if you take RHS, 2 times sin a is 45 degrees, cos a, cos 45 degrees. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. 2 cancel, answer is 1. So again here also sin 2a equals 2 sin a cos a. Next, the last one in this section. So here cos 2a equals 1 minus 2 sin square a. LHS if you will take here cos 2 times a cos 2 times 45. Already you did, you can use that value cos 90, which is nothing but 0. If you take RHS now here, 1 minus 2 sin square a, 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degrees. 1 minus 2 sin 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel. So that is nothing but 1 minus 1, which is nothing but 0. So therefore, we can say that cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So in this way, we need to verify these values. This one. The height of the water level in a circular well is 7 meters and its diameter is 10 meters. Calculate the volume of the water stored in the well. So here see directly height is given 7 meters and diameter is 10 meters. So radius is 10 by 2. So which is nothing but 5 meters. So volume of cylinder, circular well is nothing but volume of cylinder. The formula is pi r square h. So 22 by 7, radius is 5 into 5 into 7. So here 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So you'll get like 22 into 5, 110. So 110 into 5 is 550. 22 into, or you can do directly 22 into 25, which is 550 meter cube. So volume of water is 550 meter cube.